This is an education channel. Please do your investments at your own risk. This video will show you how even a conservative portfolio can create enough returns with a combination of dividends, option premium, and capital gains. So let's get on with the video. Hello friends, this is Jake. This is my weekly portfolio update. I couldn't make a video on Friday, so I'm making it on Monday, 7/20. But this is the summary of how we ended on 7/17, Friday. So the portfolio was flat for the week, did not make much gains or loss. I think the week started at 66,450 or so and ended at 66,547, so made a gain of like maybe $150 for the week. But when you consider the whole month, the portfolio is up by 8.99%, but that includes the gain on this Monday, which was a green day. And for the last 3 months, I'm up by 37.56%. For the year, I'm up by 25.41%. And for the life of portfolio, it's only a two-year-old portfolio. I'm up by 30.68%. Also, I have a few interesting numbers for you. So in the month of June, I made $265.39 selling covered call option premiums, and then received $234.59 as dividends. So that was a good month for dividends, but not so good for option premium. And the reason was I had sold both JP Morgan and Microsoft, and the market went up, and the options that I sold became deeply in the money, and I did not really want to lose those stocks, so I kept on rolling it week after week. So, and if you want to know about rolling and what I did, all those things, see my previous videos. So that's why I could only make $265 as option premium. But in the current month, JP Morgan traced back under $100. Microsoft is still way in the money. It's sitting at $240 or something, and $212, and I sold it at 192.5. So I can actually keep it rolling. It's up to me what I should do. Still thinking about it. So okay, for this month I already made $712 selling option, and that's primarily due to the fact that this is earnings week. And this whole month is going to be earnings month, and made $330 as dividends. So in summary, I made $2,559.95 as option premium for the whole year, and $986.74 as dividends. So adding all together, I made $3,546.69 in total by selling calls, covered calls, and receiving dividends. So I primarily have 3 ways of growing this account. I had mentioned this before in a previous video. One is capital gains, stocks growing in value. Second is selling option premium. My account size is decent sized enough so that I have multiples of 100 to sell calls against my stocks. So like you see here, I have JP Morgan. I can sell 3 contracts, and I can sell 2 contracts of Microsoft, but I only choose to sell 1. And the third way I make money in this account is, of course, receiving dividends. So both are going pretty well. So considering the $3,546 I made this year, that's actually cash that came into account, right? So my initial investment to this account is $52,000. And the account is sitting at $67,000. Most of that money can go back because that was just gains, right? But the $3,546 that I received as option premium and dividends is the money that I actually got into my account as money, so I get to keep it. It's realized gains. So if you just take that part and find the growth in the account, 3,546 divided by 52,000, which was my investment, it comes to around 6.81%. So for an account, a 6%, 7% growth just by dividends and selling option premium is really good. We also have to consider the fact that my account is, I don't have like any crazy stocks, right? I mean, the craziest I have is Microsoft and JP Morgan and Disney. So it's kind of down in the middle kind of portfolio. It's not too conservative because, well, I do have Microsoft and JP Morgan in higher numbers, but basically the portfolio is comprised of mostly ETFs and REITs and bonds and stuff like that. So I know it's pretty conservative if you ask me. So the gains is made from an account like this, and I would have made this gain even if I lose all the gains that I made this year. If the stocks go back, I still made that $3,500, and I hope by the end of this year I make like 12% returns, just realized returns, right? I mean, the account might be like 100%, I don't know, maybe 50%, I don't know, but I hope to make like a 12% return just from dividends and selling options. And it's only going to increase, right, because of the drip. Each month the dividend is going to be a little bit more than the previous month, also because the account grows in value. The option premium that I'm going to receive is also going to increase, and my ultimate goal is to get this account to 100,000, and which is why I started documenting all this in the first place. So that's all I had for today, folks. Stay safe, stay awesome. Ciao, see you in the next video.